Hello dear friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm at Tanjung Piai KUKUP area. Join me as I explore this area and let me show you what I can find. Let's begin. I'm currently on my way to Tanjung Piai National Park, and as you can see it's raining a little. Let me just wipe the camera for you so that you can see. There you go. I can see clearly now the rain. Anyway, my GPS is taking me through a lot of shortcuts, tiny roads. I think without it I will be really lost by now. Looking at the map, we should be in the vicinity of Kampung Sungai Durian and Kampung Sungai Kuali. Oh gosh, these roads are so quiet. After about 30 minutes of riding, finally arrived at Tanjung Piai. This place was established in 1997 and this is one of Johor's 5 national parks. And so I have arrived at the car park, and that is the entrance to the Tanjung Piai National Park. Let me walk and take a closer look. And there is the entrance to the national park, and that's also where you buy the tickets to enter. Some rules and regulations. Should be fine if you don't do anything crazy. The entrance fee now is 20 ringgit for non-Malaysians and 5 ringgit for Malaysian citizens. So that's Tanjung Piai. I'm now going to go look for some lunch. Feeling a little bit hungry now. Earlier on the way here to Tanjung Piai, I was riding along the Jalan Tanjung Piai and I came across this interesting looking cafe. I think I'm going to look for that now. A quick search on Google shows that this place is highly recommended for its Tenggek coffee. I wonder what that is. I'll find out in a while. So the GPS is saying that it should be somewhere on the left anytime now. This place open from 8:30 AM to 4:30 PM according to the website. But they are closed on every Tuesday though. So do plan your trips if you intend to come here. Oh yes, here it is. Kopi Tenggek. Found myself a nice table. And this is what I ordered. Their popular nasi ayam, chicken with brown rice and some salad on the side. And this is Tenggek Kopi, their specialty. The coffee actually drips slowly from the top where the beans are, and then it slowly drips down into the cup below. I ordered some extra spring rolls because I was so hungry. It's a nice place, nice scenery just by the roadside. Perfect place to have a nice lunch.